you have one of these rare 2017 Shield pennies, you can literally go to your bank right now and potentially find one of these coins worth a lot of money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to be looking out for on your coin to see if you have something worth selling, how much it's worth, and most importantly, not accidentally spending one of these coins that's worth a lot more money than just 1 cent. Without wasting any more time, let's hop into this video. So this coin right here, you see there's arrows everywhere pointing towards where these die cracks are on the coin. Now you have to be very careful because there are people out there that will get coins like this and try to replicate the error to make it seem like it's worth a lot more money than it actually is. One of the best ways to tell if you have a genuine error on your coin is if a die crack like this, the areas around the crack are smooth and sometimes they come upward you rather than down against the coin. Think of it like this. If someone got a high power tool and shredded into a coin, that is definitely not a mint error, but there are people that try to do things like that to artificially make more money. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed. So you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. Let's look at this coin for example. So this coin sold for $30. The thing is, you cannot be 100% that this is even a genuine error because it looks like this could be post-mint damage, meaning it did not happen at the factory. Now, I do not recommend that you buy any of these coins. The only time I would suggest buying coins like this is if you're truly interested in them as a collecting standpoint and you're not worried about making money in the long run. The way I see it on these modern coins, they typically go down in value over time, but that's not always the case. Just be very careful when you're buying any coins like this because you never know if the coin is actually genuine or not. The only way to really know is if you have the coin in hand, you've seen a lot of coins, and or you simply send it off to a third-party grading company like NGCRPS, and they will quickly let you know if your coin is a genuine error or not. But do remember, you will have to pay up for that service, and it's going to take quite a bit of time for you to get your coin back. Understand, an example like this is not worth getting graded because of the grading fees and turnaround times. Just very quickly, this is a great example of a genuine die crack error going across the coin. Again, I've also seen people solder on metal on top of the coins to make it appear like this. Just understand, the more coins you see, the better understanding you'll have of something like this. This coin right here sold for less than $30, but this is definitely not an error. The person that bought this got completely ripped off. Someone just damaged this coin severely, whether it was the person selling it or they found it like this. A lot of people simply don't know what a mint error looks like. I will tell you right now, this is not an error. Please don't waste your time or anyone else's time on your coin if it looks like this, because this coin is post-mint damage and it is not worth anything over its face value of 1 penny. So these are the ones you want to look out for. So these sell for about $40. Now just imagine finding one little penny and being able to sell it for over $40. So what's happening here is a multiple die clash error. You can see the areas that have arrows pointing towards them just to very clearly see what's going on. Essentially during the minting process, there's a error on the hub, and when the die struck the planchet being the small little piece of metal, it resulted in this multiple die clash error. If you have a coin like this, I'd highly recommend selling the coin, preferably on eBay if possible. Make sure that you take really good photos because photos really do matter on eBay. The better the photo, the less blurry, the more money your coin will generally bring. I've seen so many coins with bad photos that just don't bring a lot of money simply because the buyer doesn't know exactly what they're getting and they don't know the condition. There's a lot of reasons why you need to have good quality photos on your listings. If you want to learn more about that, leave a comment below. So this coin sold for over $300, and really quickly, here's why. So this is a 2017 P. That P mint mark standing for the Philadelphia mint where this coin was minted. This one was graded by NGCA mint date 64 red. Now this one was struck off center, and that's allowed to sell for just over $300. So if you have a coin like this and it's in really good condition, really good grade, then it might be worth sending off to get graded. But again, over $300 for one little coin. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen.